My name is Vansh. I'm from India. I'm currently living in Prague and I've been living here for the past 4 years. I came here to study film acting at Prague Film School and now I work in a corporate company and I also make films. This was my first time out of India, so technically Czech Republic is my first country I've ever visited in my life. I had never seen trams in my life. So I think seeing trams, these trains running on the road was a experience for me. The other thing was noticing the bar culture. Because there is beer everywhere, every restaurant, every pub, every cafe, like beer flows just like water here. So that was kind of a cultural shock for me. When I interacted with Czechs at first, I think they gave a lot of importance to personal space. Like in India, it's very common to just ask a random guy on the road, excuse me sir, can you tell me the time, or do you know where this road goes, or how can I go to this cafe? But in Prague, like when I did that, people kind of felt offended that I'm asking something. So that is one thing I realized, like they give a lot of importance to personal space. My recommendation to anyone who comes to Czech Republic is learn Czech. It's the most pivotal, most important thing. I was in an international school, so I didn't get a kick in my butt to learn it, but now I'm really trying hard to learn. It has been my dream to become an actor since a kid, and coming here, that's why I came here to become a film actor, and I just love this city so much, and now I stayed here, and now I'm actually making my first film where I'm acting as the lead character. This film is about how immigrants feel in Czech Republic. It's a fiction film. It's a short film, but it has some famous actors in it. Some of the top actors in Czech Republic. I'm the lead character. Me and my friend, we've written this film. So this film is nothing but like an outburst of what we felt when we came here. The goods, the bads. We want to say two things. First of all, to Indians back home or other immigrants. Why are you... So not me, but there are a lot of people who sell their lands, take loans worth millions of rupees, millions of crowns, just to come to Europe. So our first meaning is to them, guys, if you invest that money in India, you can make much better life than to come here. Here you have to learn a new language, get accustomed to new weather, new people. And actually sometimes it's not better to just leave your country. And the other side we want to tell is Europeans or Czechs, like guys, you sometimes really need to understand the troubles people face and what all they have to go through to come to your country, and they're kind of starting their new life. So I can't talk about all the migrants because there are Americans, Vietnamese, Ukrainians, Indians and so many other people, Georgians, other Europeans. But from my perspective, if they don't know the language, I think they feel very ousted. And no offense to Czechs, but if their skin color is a little different, like mine, there have been times when you feel not welcome or you feel like an outsider. I mean, Czechs should realize why people come and why they migrate. Because I don't know, if they look at our lives in our home countries, they'll be shocked. So many people have actually left the comfort of whatever they have and come here because the life is good, for sure. I feel everyone is xenophobic, to be very honest. And it's fine. It's human nature to have some sort of a wall towards new people. You can see it even in your group of friends. If your friends are having lunch and a new guy comes in, you are a little wary of him. So that's fine. And all these instances are fine. But there's one instance which was super bad. There's this one famous Czech tennis player. I can't take his name, but he was drunk and we were on the streets and he racially abused us, slurred us. We called the cops. Police were involved and we had to fight the court case for 4 weeks. It's only this incident, and I know people who faced far worse, and I, to be honest, feel sorry for them, really. The only way to overcome any barrier is for us to learn Czech, to be very honest. because communication gap creates a culture gap. But anyway, if you ask me how this can be done, I don't know, through art, movies, events, festivals. I saw this Czech film called Na Straše, which is about a Vietnamese immigrant who kind of meets an old guy in Czech Republic. And those kind of things, I saw it and I saw a new perspective towards Vietnamese, and I'm sure the Czechs would have done the same. And this is what we are trying to do through our film. We've been talking to so many producers in Czech Republic, and I was shocked to look at their response to us. They are so positive, so positive. They just love this new idea of Indians making a film in Czech, and it's my dream, especially after seeing so many beautiful Czech films, it's my dream to make an Indo-Czech film which becomes a super hit in the Czech Republic. Migration is as simple as someone looking for a new home, finding a new place for whatever reasons. Birds do it, animals do it. We've been doing it for thousands of years. Well, the first people were African, so technically all Czechs actually came from Africa. No matter where I go, Prague will always, always, always have this special place in my heart. And this is my home. This is my home.